This is a TSA-approved suitcase lock with built-in Apple Find My. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I travel a lot. I don't tend to pack very heavily, but I always have something that I'm carrying with me, and often, if it's a longer trip, something that I check with the airline and then just keep my fingers crossed that it shows up at the other end. But that's where things like Apple AirTags are so fantastic, because if they say, looks like we lost it, sorry about that, you can then open your phone, start the app, and say, aha, I see it is in this airport, let's track it down. So really great, but imagine if you could have one that includes a built-in lock, and that's what this is. This is a TSA-approved suitcase lock, and it works with the Apple Find My network. And so most importantly, on the bottom, there is that TSA keyhole, so that airport security, if they need to, they don't have to cut this or damage it or damage your suitcase. They can put in their special key and pop it open and inspect your luggage if they need to. So really helpful. This works with the Apple Find My network. I'm going to hook it up in just a minute and show you how that works. And it's USB-C rechargeable. So unlike the actual Apple AirTag, which takes a little watch battery, this one actually has a rechargeable battery. And on the bottom, right next to that TSA keyhole, is a USB-C port. And you plug that in, 2 hours of charge will give you 3 months of functionality. So if you're going on a quick weekend jaunt, just plug it in for a little bit while you're packing, and by the time you're done packing and ready to use it, it'll have enough juice that it'll run for as long as your trip is, most likely. If you're going for more than 3 months, just remember, halfway, plug it into your phone charger or something and just give it a little extra juice. So it is completely TSA approved. It is tamper proof. It uses a 3-digit code, and when you enter the correct code, you push the button and it unlocks. So it's super easy to work with. While it's unlocked, you can also easily change the code by simply on the edge dialing up a different code. So I have it as 123. Let's change it to 234. And now there's a little switch on the bottom that you can only use while it's open. And then I'm going to use a pen because it makes it a little easier. I'm going to, oops, actually I did it wrong. Let's go back to the original code. So while on the code that unlocks it, you flip the lever over. And now I can enter the new code. So we'll do 234 and then simply flip it back. So now I have the new code. So let's lock it and spin the dial. And now it's completely different. And I'm going to go back to 123. So there's 1, 2, 3. And will it unlock on the old code? No, of course it won't. But if I go to 234, as you would absolutely expect, it unlocks. So that's one of the 2 key functions here, is how to change the code, because the very first thing you want to do is change that, because the default code is 000. That is pretty easy to guess. So TSA people, you want them to be able to use it as needed, but for non-TSA people, you want this to stay secure. And this might not even be anything to do with an airport. You might take a train, you might have an Uber, you might just be at a youth hostel or something, right? So you use this, and this is going to mean that your backpack or your suitcase is more hassle than the next person. So they're going to go to the next person's and your stuff will be safe. Cool. Now, having done this, let's go ahead and add this to Find My. Now I'm going to do a little obfuscation because I don't need you to see where my studio is on the map, but it's actually pretty easy to do this. So let me get my iPhone unlocked and turn on a recording. I've zoomed way out in Find My because you don't need to see where my studio is, but importantly, I'm on items. So if I tap on items, you can see I have a backpack AirTag, but we're going to add this. And I've already put this in pairing mode, and there's 2 ways to do that. One way is to push and hold on the power button on the side for 3 seconds, And if the lock doesn't show up as a new item, that means it's already connected to something and you need to reset it. And that's done by doing 4 short presses and then 1 long press. And then you'll hear this sort of dee 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 dee, and that'll reset it. And then you can do that 3-second push and hold. And then when I push on plus, then I can choose other item. And it should see this because I've already put it in pairing mode. And so now I can just choose connect. And we'll call it Dave's Luggage. That sounds good. And that suitcase looks good. And we'll go here. And now it's linked to my account, which is super helpful because that means I can use Find My on my Mac, or I can log in and use it from someone else's machine or someone else's phone. And we're set up. It looks good. And here we are. So now I have it with me and it's showing my address. I've obviously blanked all this out, but that's really all there is to it. And now it's going to show up. And if I put this on my suitcase and then my suitcase gets stuck at the train station and lost and found, as long as this lock is still on it, then I'll be able to track it down, which is so fantastic. Now, let me turn off the demo. That's the primary functionality. It's a 3-digit code that you can set, and then you can pair it with your Apple Find My app, and then be able to track this wherever it goes and whatever happens to it. These are pretty cool. If you haven't used an AirTag, they're pretty darn slick, actually. And this is a really convenient design because it gives you everything, the lock and the tracker, and there's nothing that indicates that it's using a tracker or anything. So if someone was nefarious and grabbed your suitcase, then they probably would just leave this on until they get to somewhere where they're going to be able to cut this. But in the meantime, you're able to track everything, and then they cut it and they chuck it in their garbage can, and you know what? You can still track it. So pretty cool. Dimensions-wise, it's 1.8 inches by 3.3 inches. That includes the loop, by 1/2 inch thick, and it's 3 ounces. So I don't care how carefully you pack or how close you are to that 50 pounds, this is not going to significantly add to that. But we need to talk about value and price. So this costs more than buying just a TSA-friendly combo lock. That would be as if you didn't have the AirTag side, and then buying an Apple AirTag, and they run about $20, $25 or so. So in total, if you want to get both units as separate things, then you can save a few dollars. So this is not the budget solution. What this is a convenient solution that you don't have to hassle with. So once you get it all set up, and once it's tracking, for example, then all I have to do is every couple of months before I go on another big trip, remember to give it some juice via USB-C. Easy enough. And for all I know, I haven't tested this, but AirTags actually will notify you on your phone when they're running low on battery. This might do exactly the same thing. That would be super convenient. Can't guarantee it does that, but either way, while you're packing, plug it in, and then when you're done packing, use this to lock your suitcase, and you should be good for a month or two just from that. And if you really want to make sure you have maximum duration and maximum juice, 3 hours. So slightly more expensive than the separate components, but it's a really lovely design, super easy to work with once you figure out that whole pairing thing, and I like it. I'm going to be using this on my luggage. In fact, I'm packing for a trip in just a couple of days, and this might well be the way that I make sure nothing walks away. So that's what I've got. This is definitely one for you hardcore travelers or even you casual travelers, and you could have this on your backpack and maybe leave it unlocked or leave this locked on one part of your zipper or something. And then when you're going to have your backpack sitting somewhere, you can then do it over both of the little handles. And now your backpack is not so easily opened and you can track it. So pretty darn slick. Now, we do need to talk about the price in a little bit more detail. Before we get there, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon for notifications of my new content. And give me a thumbs up if you found this of value. Great. All right. This is the Scapade AirLock TSA lock with Find My, and it is $46.99 at Amazon.com. And I think this would make a wonderful gift for a traveler, but it's also a really great investment for you. Can you get separate components and can you save a couple of dollars? Yes. Is that the smart move? Well, if you like fussing with multiple things, maybe. But if you want the simplest, easiest, and most convenient solution, this is a solid option. That's what I got. I do need to start packing now that I think about it. So I'll hope to catch you in my next video.